Hello guys, and welcome back to one of the videos. Today it's Wednesday and we are going to speak about planification. So every Monday, Wednesday and Fridays I will be delivering you some material and some videos so that you can learn a little bit more of everything related to work creative. So in today's videos I want to explain to you in 1, 2 and 3 steps how you can plan better your week. The structure of a week can depend on many factors and can depend on your current situation. Either you're a student, you're currently full-time or part-time job, you're working as freelancer, whatever project you're working for. So there are a lot of methods out there on how you can work on a better planification for your week. However, I like you first at all go to the previous video I made, which was related to how to know the difference between origin and important things. That will help you a little bit more to understand this video. And then we're gonna be speaking today about planification your week. So I have 3 steps for you. The first thing is, and we'll start by explaining this circle I have here. It has 3 parts: the first, second, and the third part. You choose to plan your week. You don't have to be fancy using your calendar, but you can use this first material and then transform this into a more digital environment, such as the calendar you use or any project tool that you use. You will choose 3 colors depending on the colors that you have available. They can be post-it, paper, whatever you want, or even on your digital calendar depending on the color. So you will choose just between into these 3 categories. The first category, the third one, will be goals. And what I mean by goals, it's those massive achievements that you want to, by the way, achieve. For example, finish a article, complete reading a book, for example. So those kind of stuff that are important for a goal. The second category that you will have right here, it's projects itself. It's related more to different project or things that you have to do, like for example deliver your thesis, work on a software development project, for example, and different projects that you have to work on. And finally, the first category will be task. So you will start from the small part, task. You will level up to projects, and then you level up to goals. These are long-term activities, goals you have to do, middle and immediate attention that you need. So once you have that, you can plan, and I have here an example on how your week can look like. For example, let's say that you have a week from Monday to Friday. It can vary, of course, if you're working to even on weekends, depending. So for example, I can say, I have to work by the end of the week and Friday I will have read a book, for example, or an article that happened. That's a goal that I have. On Tuesday, for example, that week, part of my projects, I have to deliver something from that project. On Wednesday, for example, by the end of Wednesday, I have to email a client by the end of the day, just to give you an idea. So you don't have to think about like the task comes first and the goals comes after. However, once you have cleared the circle, task, projects, and goals, it's easier for you to organize better. For example, tasks, which are the number 1 right here and are represented by the purple. Usually, you should work on them at the beginning of your week. It will help you to summarize, and it will help you to be better organized. Small things first. Also, you can have in between tasks. That's of course for sure, but usually by the end of the week, you can deliver all the small the goals that you have. For example, a task can be organized articles that by the end of the week I have to have read it. So, and then for example, for projects or deliverables, you can say that, you know, on Monday I have a meeting, then I have to deliver something on Tuesday. That Thursday it will be the final deliverable. So colors will help you to understand better the organization. This is more alike how a calendar looks even online, but it all starts with these first steps by understanding what activities I have to do, what projects I have to work on, and what goals I'm achieving for. In order for then, I also recommend you to have cleared the circle, and then you can organize better your plan. I hope this video helps you, and see you next time.